I'll guide you through the process of buying Ethereum on PayPal, from navigating the new Finances hub to saving on fees using the latest stablecoin conversion tools. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. To begin, open your PayPal app and tap the Finances tab at the bottom of the screen. Then select the crypto tile to enter the digital asset dashboard. From the list of supported coins, tap on Ethereum and select the Buy button to begin your purchase with as little as $1. Complete the identity verification or W-9 tax form if prompted, a mandatory one-time step that PayPal requires to ensure your account is compliant with digital asset regulations. Choose your payment method, such as your linked bank account, debit card, or existing PayPal balance, noting that using your balance usually results in the fastest transaction. Consider buying PayPal USD first, as there are often zero fees to purchase the stablecoin, which you can then convert to Ethereum directly within the app. On the confirmation screen, review the transaction fee and the exchange rate spread carefully, as PayPal's total cost can be slightly higher than that of dedicated crypto exchanges. Tap Buy Now to finalize the order. Your Ethereum will appear in your PayPal crypto balance almost instantly. To move your Ethereum to an external wallet like MetaMask or Ledger, use the transfer feature if you prefer to hold your own private keys for long-term security. Take advantage of the Layer 2 support by selecting networks like Arbitrum or Base when sending your ETH to a private wallet to significantly reduce your blockchain gas fees. Use the interactive charts in the Crypto Hub to monitor your investment's performance. It provides real-time updates and 2026 market sentiment analysis. If you want to practice dollar cost averaging by allowing PayPal to automatically buy a set amount of Ethereum for you every week or month, then set up recurring buys. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.